Dude, I gotta start trading the freaking macro, dog. What's up, just a simple man? Oh, I appreciate you. What's up, BX the FX? Yo. Can you hear the TV in the background? Okay, so what I see for GU is, okay, I haven't even looked at the dollar, so let me come up with the bias for the dollar before I so we just took buy side on the dollar. So, I would expect the dollar to continue lower once it taps this fair value gap right here. I'd expect, because we just, look at this, we just turtle souped this high right here. So honestly, I'd expect it to take out some sell side now, which is down here and here and here. So that's on the hourly chart. On the daily chart, same thing. If you look at GU, it's still bouncing off of this weekly fair value gap. So, and on the 1 hour, it just kind of like a classic, like, I don't know if this is Wyckoff, but it kind of looks like Wyckoff. Anyways, doesn't matter because I don't trade Wyckoff, but I see it coming down to here. And it also respected this 4-hour civvy. This 1 hour civvy. Wait, what time frame is that? Yeah, it's a 4-hour. Okay, I'm not tripping. Are you from the US? Yeah. Hey, Leonardo. How y'all doing this fine Thursday morning? This also fits nicely into the discount array. Even on the 15-minute, it kind of lines up still. Yeah, it lines up perfectly. So once it taps in here, I'm gonna scale down to the lower time frames, and I want to see some nice market structure shifts to take out this high right here. And there's a possibility of it continuing bearish because the weekly candle was bearish. Oh wait, it's actually bullish. The hell? Okay, never mind. But it could still close lower because it's Thursday. So I thought it was bearish. I'm tripping. Yeah, I've been out of sync, honestly, with GU. Oh my god. Why the fuck does it keep opening, bro? Yeah, I'm gonna look at NQ as well. So we have Asia low right here. I mean, I probably could have gone in like right here, but mm, mm. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where Nas wants to go. If you ask me honestly, um, I mean, obviously we have sell side right here, but um, actually, yeah, my bias is bearish for Nas still. What's the DXY doing? Oh wow. Okay, so we just bounced off of this 4 hour. Let's see if it wants to respect this Sibi right here. How long are you profitable in Forex? I'm not profitable yet. It's all a mindset, bro. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, I'm not profitable yet. I'm looking for consistency. That's the point of these live streams. Just document my trades and look for consistency. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been journaling like I should be. So I need to start journaling like ASAP. We're looking for buys on GU. As of now, yeah. I think that, with the dollar, if the dollar wants to continue going bearish, after it taps into this little 1 hour Civi right here, there's a 1 hour Civi. So 1 hour Civi right there. If we respect it, if it gets respected and it continues lower, because to me this is a market structure shift right here. That right there is a market structure shift, and this one right here as well. But keep in mind it's at a. It just bounced off of this 4 hour BISI, so yeah. Looking at EU, it's really respecting the what's it called? Okay, dude, I'm really intrigued for some sells right now. Hold on. And it's clear until down here because there's no like imbalances. Hold on. So the reason I'd be looking for sells is because this right here is a daily Cibi or BISI, and you see how it closed below it, and now it's turning into a daily inverted fair value gap. So I'd be looking to participate in some EU sells. If the DXY wants to continue pushing higher, um, so be it. It sounded like I just said Soviet. like the Soviet Union. Nah, but yeah, so yeah, I wouldn't be opposed to selling EU, but it just took out sell side right here. So, and on GU, it also took out sell side, and it's in this fair value gap right here. So there's more confluence going up than down, but especially because the dollar is just reaching this 1 hour civvy as well. But if all else fails, I mean, sells is the way. So that's what I'm trying to incorporate in my trading now. Like having obviously having an underlying bias, but being open to both things happening is like important. But at the same time, don't let it confuse you. Feel me? This is what I miss trading the like London. Is this London? I think so. I've never traded London, but I mean, this is what I miss about trading the New York kill zone. Like at least the beginning of it, cause like this is fucking beautiful. I mean, if your bias is bullish and like even bearish, honestly, if you had a bearish bias and you were trading the 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. silver bullet, this would have been a decent entry. Although honestly, I don't know if I would have held that, but it took out Asia highs. I used to trade that shit. For real, for real. I might start trading past 10 a.m. I mean 11 a.m. because it feels like recently there's been a lot more movement after 11. Alright, so note this. My battery is at 97% at 7:10 a.m. So I want to see how fast this fucking computer drains. Guess that also depends on how much I scroll and shit. Alright. Yeah, it makes more sense to buy GU than sell EU. Let's have this imbalance right here. Bro, I'm kind of mad about GU. I'm kind of mad about yesterday's sells or Tuesday. Did I catch this? I'm not sure. This is why I need a journal. So like I think this right here would be the breaker. That little up close candle on right here. It's a high, low, higher high. It also took liquidity. So yeah, I think this would be the breaker right here. And then we have a 1 hour fair value gap. What's up, Bar Ovadia? Bar Ovadia. I don't know why I called you Bar Ovadia this whole time. The XY took high and bullish on EU, GU. Oh, for sure. Yeah, nothing's really clear for me either. I want to see the way that price reacts off this 1 hour Cibi. Because it just bounced off a 4 hour BISI. So, you know how strong those can be. And then I'd like to see, I don't know, because, you know, we took buy side here, and obviously we took this high over here, these two highs. So, you know, I'm more bearish than bullish on the dollar right now, obviously, but, you know, I want to see the way price reacts to it. Because if it has a strong just push up, then I don't know. Then I don't know about buys on GU. Because it's more clear for me to buy GU than buy EU. But it's also more clear to me to sell EU than buy GU. And the reason being is this daily fair value gap turned into a daily inverted fair value gap. It closed below, now it's rejecting it. So, but also no, it just bounced off of this 15-minute BISI over here. So, you know, yeah, I hate when I'm in between zones like this. I hate when I'm in between zones like this because it doesn't give me like a clear cut direction, you know. When it gives me like a clear cut direction, like that's when I love trading. Also, it's fucking August. August is supposed to be the shittiest month of the year. Caught the GU silver bullet today, 8 a.m. London time. I shorted. Hell yeah. Let me see. Oh, you caught it up here? Word. Dude, I just mentioned that drop. This drop is beautiful. But I'm not gonna lie, like, bro, if I'm sitting in this, I'm not sitting in that. Like, this is probably the trade you're talking about right here. I'm not sitting in all this shit. I mean, like, I'd probably close my laptop and, like, do something else, but Jesus fucking Christ, like, look how close it was. Like, spread probably, you know, fucked you over. Or at least it would have fucked me over, but, I mean, it was a decent trade, bro. Look at this big-ass drop. Just straight down candles. Yeah. Okay, so the DXY just absolutely rejected this 1 hour Cibi. The euro dollar is at an order block right here. I think that's an order block. I'm not completely sure. Yeah, it looks like it. I mean, it's a big ass rally. But yeah, I don't really want to participate in GU until it gives me a discount. So we just tapped into this little Cibi right here. So possibly drive price lower. Take out this sell side as well, perhaps, and then continue higher. That would be ideal. Like if price breaks above and stays above and uses the 1 hour SIBI as an inverted, then sells all the way. But for right now, still bullish. My stop loss is way up there. Yeah, probably. August isn't a good month to trade. No. I've been knowing that, but since ICT's been saying it, I've been taking it to heart because that motherfucker is usually right about everything. But no, it's not a good month because it's a seasonal tendency for everything to decline. Like you'll see it in every single week of August or month of August. Like even in July, this shit started crashing down. Or I'm not talking about GU, I'm talking about like indices, right? So like August, fucking straight to hell. Let's go to the continuous chart. Where's August at? August 2022. August rallied up a little bit, straight to hell. Where's August at? Let me see. I guess last August wasn't that bearish. Like it's just a seasonal tendency for people to get out of the market, go on vacation. I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm not the expert. But honestly, if MQ takes out Asia lows and starts, giving a nice reaction, like, you might be looking for some buys here. And that actually might correlate with the DXY as well if the DXY continues lower. So, if all my ducks are aligned, I will be interested in participating in a nice little, NQ buys, like I wouldn't be completely opposed to it. But yeah. Come on, GU. Come on, GU. This is how I'm feeling right now. I want to play some music, but I don't want to get copyrighted for no reason. YM looks like it's trying to go bullish. The fuck? We have Asia lows though. YM looks like it's trying to go bullish. I think the dollar's gonna drop, if you genuinely ask me, but I mean, the way it's looking right now, I mean, maybe it's coming for this liquidity and then it's gonna drop. So what do you do for fun, seeing how boring trading can get? I train jujitsu and I lift weights for fun. And so I can get some bitches. No, I'm just playing. but yeah. Um yeah, I spend most of my time doing that. And then the rest of my time I'm either on YouTube, like just for fun, or I study, trading and shit. Sometimes I go to the library, study some trading. Cause like, why not, man? It's always good to sharpen your tools. I'd really like to see a nice reaction off of. Okay, dude, this is looking really fucking good to me. I'm not gonna bet the farm on it, but I believe that once we take out all this sell side right here, and we tap into the bullish breaker, and we tap into the 1 hour Sibi or Bissy, I think that we're gonna skyrocket. I'm becoming more and more confident in this trade. It just looks good. I don't know. There's buy side right here. So, and we just came off of sell side. We're breaking market structure. Do you game? No, I do not. With all due respect, I think gaming is fucking stupid. I don't know. It just feels like a waste of time. But hey, everybody has their vices. Everybody wastes their time their own way. Like, I waste my time watching YouTube sometimes. That doesn't make me any better than somebody who games all the fucking day. But yeah, I used to play GTA a lot. Like, I'm talking 12-hour days on GTA. It was that bad. But hey, you're not gonna. The try hard ain't gonna make itself. It ain't easy being a try hard. But yeah, I think EU might bounce off this order block. If it's gonna go bullish, I think it's gonna bounce off. Here's the thing about about seeing stuff like this. It's pulling back like this. Usually when price is gonna go in a certain direction, it takes its time to pull back, and then later in the day, it's gonna actually rally. So, in my opinion, I feel like if EU is gonna continue rallying up after it just took out the sell side, if it's gonna continue rallying up, it's gonna have to pull back a little bit in the beginning of the session, and later in the day, it's gonna rally. But at the same time, beware, we do have sell side right here. I'm talking long term. I feel like right now for GU, I think we're ready to go up. I think we're ready to go up. At least short term. But you know what? If honestly, I would not be comfortable taking sells. Like, if this gets disrespected, like if this fair value gap gets disrespected, there's no trade for me today. Because honestly, like, I wouldn't feel comfortable taking sells. So I think that's another thing I'm trying to learn. Like, it's okay to not take a trade, bro. Like, you don't have to fucking trade every day. And like, that's one of the main reasons I'd be taking losses, because I'd be like, okay, my bias just got disrespected, so I gotta switch it around. And then all of a sudden, my bias was correct, and I'm just fucking retarded. you know? But yeah, I think that once price takes out this sell side and this sell side, we might be onto something. Okay, Okay, why is it reacting off of that? Hmm. What if all this time the silver bullet was bearish? I'm just looking at shit long term because I feel like long term is gonna take out this buy side. Not long term, but like intraday. What's up, bees? Wow, you think you're better than us? Psh, psh, psh. Hold on. This is how I feel right now. Psh. That's how I feel right now. Do you only trade silver bullet? I mean, that's all I've been trading for like the past 3 months. Yeah. I mean, I tried the 950 macro. Um, like the 950 macro never fails apparently, cause like this is a beautiful 950 macro if you ask me. Stop loss above here. 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. That would be exactly to the 50% level. Like this would have been a beautiful trade. You know what? I might start trading the 950 macro because I'm just having a little bit of FOMO off of it because every fucking time I enter the charts, there's a trade in fucking front of me, and I don't take it because it's not 10 a.m. yet. So, what's good, gang? What's up, Triple J? Anything up with you? Um, I already went over my bias with you. I feel like so I'm kind of like I said, I hate when I'm in between PD arrays like this. So basically, we push down. This is a daily fair value gap, by the way. We push down. We close below the fair value gap. We retested the fair value gap. You know, dude, I saw this funny ass meme on Twitter, bro. It was so fucking funny. I don't want to show it because I'm gatekeeping, but support turn resistance, or I'm not gonna explain it. It's kind of stupid, but anyways, it retested the fair value gap, and then so I'm also bearish on the dollar though. Ooh, hold on. Okay, she's skyrocketing. Sorry, I'm all over the place right now because I'm trying to figure out what to tell you for EU. I thought EU was gonna continue bullish because the dollar. I thought the dollar was gonna disrespect respect this 1 hour fair value gap. I mean, it still could respect this fair value gap right here. So I'm not completely disregarding my bias yet. Because we just took out an old high on the DXY, we broke market structure, but at the same time we just bounced off this 4 hour BISI right here, so you got to be aware of that. So yeah, if the dollar wants to continue pushing up, obviously then EU is going to continue bearish, but if the dollar wants to respect that this 1 hour CIVI right here, then it's going to EU is going to go bullish. So, and I feel the same thing for GU. Well, I really want to show you somebody that meme. Bro, here it is. Hold on. Bro, tell me this isn't. Tell me this isn't the most accurate shit ever. Tell me this isn't the most accurate shit ever. This is so funny. Like, somebody please laugh. This is fucking hilarious to me. I saw shit on Twitter yesterday and I was like, I mean, like, you can say it is support to resistance, like retail logic, but like when you have like actual logic behind what you're talking about, like support turn resistance, like it makes more sense because people be drawing trend lines and they're like, yeah, this trend line is now gonna become support or it's now gonna become resistance, but like you have no fucking narrative behind it, and like that's my issue with like trend line traders. But like if it's profitable for them, it's profitable for them. Like, I'm no one to speak, but you know, I'm just saying. I just thought that meme was funny as fuck. Anyways, you're kind of bullish on EU. Yeah. I mean, if it respects his 1 hour civvy, then yeah. But like, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. So it's at a discount now. I mean, a premium. So if it wants to continue lower, it would bounce off here, and then EU and GU have the clear path to go bullish. But yeah. Bro, somebody clipped me yesterday, bro. Somebody clipped me yesterday, bro. Hold on. Bro, somebody clipped me yesterday, bro. Bro, somebody... bro. Bro, somebody clipped me yesterday, bro. We need more BBC, for real. Pause. 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 Fucking conflict, bro. Bro, it's all B's fault. He was like, clip this, man. Hey, hi, the bang. Hello. I'm fucking tired of patiently waiting right now. Not gonna lie. Breakaway gap. Exclamation point. Bro, I could have been going short this whole time, but no. No. See, that's one thing I'm starting to learn. Like, it's always good to stick to your bias, no matter how much FOMO you feel. I'm trying to learn for real. But yeah, it's almost at this 1 hour order block right here. So, and it's also almost at this 1 hour civvy. I mean BISI. So, you know. Hello. So yeah, that also kind of correlates with this 1 hour civvy right here. So, if the dollar wants to continue going bearish, I need to see it respected like right fucking now. Cause it's already 7:36, and I don't want to be a pussy and not trade it because it's past 11. But you know what? If the setup presents itself past 11, I do not give a fuck. I'm gonna take it. Cause there's a macro at 10:50 and 11:10. So you know what? Okay, here's the deal. I'm not gonna trade past 11:10. Okay, there. I said it. I'm not gonna trade past 11:10. Cause usually, bro, there's a macro that pushes price literally at 11, because the macro is from 10:50 to 11:10. So like I'm gonna give myself an extra 10 minutes. All right, that shouldn't be that fucking bad. You know, I mean, I shorted in Q yesterday. I forgot what time it was, but it was over here. It was at 11:18 or something like that. It was at 11:15 or something goofy like that. But man, this is a trade I wanted to take for real. But you know, prices said this is what I'm talking about. August bullshit. Like, price literally tapped the 1 hour imbalance, or the 3 minute imbalance, came back, stopped me out, came back. It's like a search and destroy right now, right here. Anyways, yeah, I want to see a nice reaction off of this 50% level and this breaker and the 1 hour for value gap. G reacted pretty good off of a daily consequent encroachment. Oh yeah, this right here. This is a weekly though. Are you talking about the consequent encroachment of the wick? I ain't gonna lie, I don't be trading that. I don't be trading wicks like that. Like, listen, I'll believe literally anything ICT says except fucking wicks. Okay, that's just me. That's just me. Listen, I just haven't backtested it enough, and I don't want to because honestly, wicks, I don't get it. I don't want to get it either. I'm gonna be honest. But yeah, I want to see it. Daily CE wick, yeah, yeah. See, I was looking at it, like I was genuinely looking at it, but I just, you know, I'm not. I don't think I want to trade that. But at the same time, we have 6 hours left in the day, in this daily candle, and it's pulling back like this. So if it's gonna continue bullish, it's not gonna come lower than the consequent encroachment of the 1 hour gap. Okay, and if it does, well, there's no trade today. Damn, I knew I should have shorted NQ. They gave a pretty good setup, like up here or some shit. See, this is a 950 macro I'm talking about, bro. Like, obviously my drawn liquidity was Asia lows, right? Fucking nice ass for value gap right here. Oh, but it's not 10 a.m. Oh, it's not 10 a.m. Bro. Like, this is shit I'm talking about. See, I would have had a nice safe stop loss. You know, a nice 1 or 2. Even a 1 of fucking 3 got hit. Yeah, that's crazy. God damn, G, you do something. I want to be patient. Okay, I want to be patient. I'm not gonna lie, there might not be a trade today. Hmm. Vamos para la playa. Mm-hmm. Okay, if price wants to bounce here, that's okay too. I mean, it's close enough. So yeah, I'm gonna open my MetaTrader and boom, baby. Beautiful react, bro. Beautiful reaction. Beautiful liquidity. Okay, this is the shit I'm talking about. GPUSD. Alright. Trading. Stop loss would be at 127495. That's not actually where my stop loss is, but god damn. We also just grabbed this low as well. So price has 17 or 27 minutes to fill me. So I'm not gonna start rambling and waffling about how price is leaving me. Okay. But yeah, this would be my entry stop loss right there. Yeah, I'll get in right there. I don't have an issue with that. I'm about to... Alright, I'm in that hope. I'm gonna lie right there. So my stop is 7.7 pips. I got in like around over here. So I took the first rally gap because honestly it doesn't really matter to me if it's this far away. I'll weather the drawdown if I have to. But yeah. What's 7.7 times 23? Yeah, it also took market structure right here. So yeah. There's also kind of like a turtle soup right here. It didn't exactly hit the 50% level. But yeah. $21.5 pip bullish candle incoming. I mean, shit, I wouldn't be opposed. Wait, is there news? Bro, don't tell me there's fucking news. Okay, now there's no news. Bro, imagine. Like, I can, bro, imagine there's just a fucking one candle go straight to your take profit. I used to trade news. That shit used to be the best. Alright, so like I said, I wouldn't be opposed to weathering drawdown. So we're in that fair value gap right there. You know, as long as I have a narrative. I don't mind. Okay, I don't like the way it closed, but you know. You said, damn, I'm short on GU. Damn. Yo, I'm low-key tripping. This guy. Oh shit, I'm low-key tripping. It didn't touch the 1 hour for rally gap. Yeah, borrow value, you're right. I'm low-key tripping. I forgot about that fucking 1 hour for rally gap. Listen, if this shit proves me wrong and it closes below the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap, by all means, I'll exit the trade and wait for the 1 hour to get tapped into. But you know, I'm in the trade, so it is what it is at this point. I'm up on the plane. Okay, so I think right now my stop loss is gonna be below this right here. So yeah, I'm gonna mitigate my stop to right there. So if it goes below that, then I'm out. But right now it's looking pretty good. I want to see this fair value gap get traded to and through. I'm also short on GU. I hope it goes well for you. Thanks, G. Yeah, I might exit here, honestly. That's an immediate rebalance right there. Yeah, if it trades below here, then I'm gonna get out and wait for the 1 hour. Because I 100% just forgot about the 1 hour imbalance. That's what happens when you're looking at too many pairs, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna see how this trades. Yeah, low key, my stop is liquidity right now because it hasn't touched the 1 hour fair value gap yet. So it is low key liquidity. But I mean, Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, that 1 hour for Rally Gap still has me thinking. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. I don't like the way it reacted up here, I'll be honest. Get up, everybody, and see. The fuck? Is there a person outside? Tell me I'm tripping. Alright, I want to see it close above in the next couple candles. 365 days lose. What does that mean? Eob Tadis. What is this chop? You talking about my chop, bro? No, I'm just playing. What is this chop? I'm not sure. Alright, I think at this point my stop is right here. Because I'm being very cautious with this trade right here. Okay. Because that 1 hour fair value gap still has me thinking, bro. That 1 hour fair value gap has me thinking like a motherfucker. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Borrow video, man, you just planted an ugly seed in my head about that 1 hour fair value gap. You don't got swatted, bro. Don't try me, bro. Try me, bro. Yeah, I might get out. I might call this in a trade day. Well, obviously I took a trade, but I might get out and just call it because this isn't what I wanted. Um, I really wanted a reaction off the 1 hour for value gap, and it didn't give me that. And now I'm in a trade that I don't really want to be in anymore. For the simple fact that it's reacting off of that fair value gap still. So, yes. Alright, I think this is my sign to get out. I don't like this trade I'm in anymore. Okay, now it's just chopping, bro. Maybe, like, I would be more patient if it fucking tap the 1 hour for Valley Gap, bro. Like, that shit really got me thinking now, you know? Because there's no way it's gonna take off without tapping the Fair Valley Gap, right? Like, there's just no fucking way. There's no way it's gonna rocket 21 pips without touching the Fair Valley Gap. Alright, I'm gonna move my stop. So at this point, I'm risking 75 bucks. So I trailed my stop to right over here. Below that black candle. So, you know, I'm gonna just let it do what it do. Okay, if it stops me out, it stops me out. But if it breaks structure like that, then I'm good. And I honestly, I do not care if this just stops me out and skyrockets. Okay, because first of all, this isn't a part of my plan. Okay, I shouldn't be in this trade. I'm gonna be honest. I really shouldn't because my trade was down here. Okay, it didn't even tap. It didn't even tap the 50% level. I broke my rules, but you know what? I'm in the trade. I don't care. I'm just keeping it a buck. You know. I'm gonna just keep it a buck. I don't like the way it's creeping like this. You know, like why you fucking creeping like that? You said hold. What the fuck is this price action, man? Listen. I don't like this trade anymore, I'm gonna be honest. Like, the way it's chopping like this, I don't like it. I trailed my stops either way, but it just don't look good anymore. I mean, it looks like it wants to go up. It honestly does, but like this 1 hour Fair Valley gap really got me thinking. If 1 minute Fair Valley gap is violated, it's going to next high trust. I mean, yeah, it's most likely, but you know, it's not. It's holding right now, you know. And like I said, I'm gonna keep saying it. The 1 hour Fair Valley gap, it's got my attention. I'm not gonna lie. Can you explain what that yellow highlighted zone is? This is a 1 minute civvy right here. This is a Fair Value gap. This is a premium array. So basically, if price breaks above this little gap right here, it's more likely to go higher because it disrespected a premium array. And then this is a discount array. I could make this yellow as well. But yeah, I'm starting to like the yellow zones a lot better than the gray ones. It just gives it more light, more life, you know? Okay, the way it's creeping up, I just feel like there's either BBCs coming or LGCs coming. And honestly, I'd prefer the LGCs, but you know, the BBCs might come in, you know, and absolutely destroy. Pause. But, you know what I mean? Nice haircut. Thank you very much, Adam Silman. Yeah, I'm out the trade. Fuck that. Fuck that. I'm gonna get out. I might get out. I knew there was a BBC incoming. I fucking knew it. feel like at this point I want to put my stop like right at this level, 542, like right at break even. This is an immediate rebalance right here. Okay, listen, on the bright side, at least we're not in drawdown. Okay. If you see speed through the civvy, the next high will get hit. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not a good thing it's holding, yeah. But, you know, I'd like to see this turn into a 1 minute inverted for rally gap. But like I keep saying, bro, this fucking 1 hour civvy, I mean, BISI, man, it didn't tap. So I wouldn't be surprised if this absolutely destroys this low and then continues higher. Alright, I'm out. I got out. It looks like that 1 minute held. I got out. I got out at break even, so I'm good off that. Your setup looks good. Let it run. You know, I would say the same thing if and only if it had tapped the 1 hour for rally gap. Because this is a good setup, but it just didn't tap the 1 hour for rally gap. And you know what? If this trade runs without me, that's cool. I don't give a shit. But I'm not gonna sit through this possibly hitting my stop loss because I wasn't aware of the 1 hour for rally gap. Okay. So yeah, it might, you know, it by all means, if it wants to continue going up, so be it. But yeah, I'm not gonna sit through that. Especially knowing that we have this 1 hour BISI right here. That one last retest and it will shoot up when you get out. Yeah, I mean it's most likely gonna do that, but I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna listen. The number one like key to profitability is just trusting your rules, and this just isn't a part of my rules, bro. Like I'm not gonna take a setup where I'm liquidity and I know that I'm liquidity and I'm gonna stay in that trade because I'm hard headed. Like no, like hard-headed me would just stay in the trade because I'm right. Like I want to be right, but no, bro. Like you have to be egoless in this game. Like you cannot be prideful. Like okay, it didn't hit the 1 hour BISI, so why would I stay in the trade? Like I would literally become liquidity at that point. And the fact that it's playing around like that, I'm good. And the fact that it held the 1 hour civvy, I mean the 1 minute civvy like that, like I'm good. Okay. This might skyrocket and that's okay. Like I might cry a little bit, but you know, that's okay. You know, I might cry a little bit, but that's okay. Like I'm not gonna sit through that. I just don't want to. It might be a like I don't want to get hurt type of thing, but it's also like it doesn't make sense to hold it when this is holding so much and then there's a 1 hour BISI right here. Like it just doesn't make sense. So yeah, let's go. I'm proud of you, man. Thank you. Borrow video. I don't know what you're proud of, but I appreciate you. Can I see your trades today? Yeah, hold on. Let me see. Yeah, right here. So I broke even on that, Actually, I lost $3, but yeah, I got in like right here, and then I got out right here. So I got out of break even because I'm not sitting to do that. Okay, this might skyrocket, but listen, we literally have a 1 hour BISI right here, and my stop loss would have been right here. That's a no. Okay, like what? Why would you knowingly stay in a trade where you know you might become liquidity, where you know that there's a possible chance that you might become liquidity? Like um, that's just my thought process right there. But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream right there. NQ had a beautiful rundown. I might start trading the 950 macro. Because when I first started trading ICT, the 950 macro was my shit. But I just stopped because I wanted to trade the silver bullet. I wanted to be disciplined, but it is what it is. Yeah, this 950, bro, this shit ran. Like, you know what I'm saying? Type shit. This shit ran. That's a beautiful 1 to 3, honestly. I still think it's gonna. This is a sell side right here as well. This line, so it's gonna run lower probably. But yeah, I'm not gonna stay in GU. It's all Borrow Video's fault because I didn't notice that it hadn't tapped the 1 hour. But yeah, I'll see it play out. Whatever, I don't care. Um, how to put that position sizer on MetaTrader 5. Here I'll post a link in the chat. It's free. You don't gotta pay for shit. Where's it at? So I'm not gonna lie, this position sizers, why am I always in the wrong? Bees back me up here. It's all your fault, Bar. Fuck, man. I would still be in this trade, but because of you, I got out. Not just playing. No, I genuinely didn't like the way that it didn't tap the 1 hour fair value gap. That's just me, okay? I just genuinely didn't like it. Alright? Like, I'm glad you actually pointed that out because it's not a part of my rules. Like, I'm not taking a trade where there's literally a fair value gap right at my stop loss. I've done that before and it's gone horribly. It's just stupid. And you know what? This trade might play out, but I don't give a fuck. Okay, I really, honestly don't give a fuck. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the stream. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found some value out of it, and I hope Borrow Video. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just playing, bro. But yeah, if this Sibi gets traded to and through, like, yeah, it's probably gonna come up here type shit. But yeah, it's gonna be the end of the stream. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll possibly see you tomorrow. So see, I would still be shitting bricks. Bro, look for gold, buy, load it. What's your favorite indices, and do you also trade gold, buy gold? Why is everyone trying to buy gold? Okay, first of all, I see liquidity right here, so I would not buy gold, or at least short term, you know. I mean, you do you, bro, but me personally, I wouldn't buy gold. Let's see. I mean, it took out this low, so yeah, that actually is kind of good. But the way it's looking right now, it doesn't look like it's gonna go high. Like, even if I don't think this is gonna be the bottom, but even if it wants to go higher, it's gonna play around a little bit and then go higher. Cause that's the daily chart. I had a no trade day as well, for sure. Hell yeah. I mean, today wasn't bad. It's just It's just a lack in my judgment, honestly. Um, like let's be real, it looks like it was silver bullet sells instead of buys. But like this is at 950. I'm not taking that shit. And yeah, that's exactly why I got out the trade. You know what I think it's doing right now? I think it's engineering liquidity. No, I'm so, bro. I'm big brains right now. I think it's engineering liquidity. Watch this. Big brains right here. How the fuck do I draw arrows and shit? Also, why am I in replay mode? How do I draw arrows? Where's the arrows at? Alright, I'm kind of dumb. Oh, it's right here. So it's gonna do this. And then take out that liquidity. In my opinion, I feel like it's gonna do something like that. Cause like then this becomes relatively equal highs, and then that becomes a new liquidity. So I feel like it's gonna do something like that. This is big brains knowledge right here. No, I'm just playing. But you're happy as you saved me. You low-key did save me, honestly. You low-key did. Like, it was a lack in my judgment. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I didn't. I totally forgot that there was a 1 hour. That's the problem with me being on the 1 minute time frame, bro. I'd be forgetting to look at the higher time frame sometimes. But yeah, it doesn't matter what the trade does. Either way, I'm out. So that's gonna be the end of the stream. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, I gotta go. So peace. I'll make a trade recap in like a couple minutes. So stay tuned for that. All right, peace.